Utilization of algae. Algae are photoautotropic that can prepare their own food and they produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Algae are ubiquitous. Majority of algae are abundant in stagnant water. Algae as a food product as antibiotic and medicine. Some algae yield antibiotics. Chlorelin is obtained from green alga, chlorella, that inhibits the growth of certain bacteria. Because of high iodine content, brown algae is used in manufacture of various goiter medicine. Pyrogyra is used for cleaning of optical instrument. Algae in sewage disposal. The effective disposal of sewage requires oxygen and this oxygen is brought about by the algal members present in the sewage like Chlamydomonas, chlorella, etc. Oxygenation by algae also helps to avoid unpleasant odor coming out of sewage bodies. Algae as a fertilizer. Due to presence of phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and some trace element, the seaweeds are used as a fertilizer. Kara is used to overcome calcium deficiency in the field. Fucus is used as a manure. Algae act as a binding agent. Algae helps in reducing the pH of alkaline soil and increasing the water holding capacity of these soils. Use of algae as a diatomite. Diatomite is fossilized remain of diatoms. Diatoms are single-celled aquatic algae which are in the form of petri dish. It is used in car paint, roof insulation, wall insulation, cosmetics and bath products. Use of algae as agar-agar. It is a jelly-like substance obtained from algae. It is used in desserts and other cooking. It is also used thicken soups and sauces. Agar-agar, by using agar, microorganism can be cultured. Role in nitrogen fixation. Algae plays an important role in nitrogen fixation. A high rice yield has obtained when the rice field were incubated by nitrogen fixation. Sources of minerals. Minerals obtained by kelps are used in glass and soaps preparation. Seaweeds are rich source of iron, zinc, copper, manganese and boron. Use as a algene. Algene is obtained from different algae. It is used in adhesive structure in artificial seals. It is used in paint and many pharmaceutical products. It is used in ice cream. Algae as a algene, it is used in processing of natural and synthetic rubber. Harmful aspects of algae. The algae grows abundantly in water reservoirs meant for domestic purpose. This affects the filtration process and bring bad taste to water due to decay of dead algal plants. Such algae include members of Cyanophyta and Chlorophyta. Water blooms. Sometimes algal plants grows abundantly and forms quite apparent bodies called water blooms. These bodies deplete the oxygen content of the water during night time. Amid bad smell and secrete certain poisonous substances harmful to aquatic animals. Death to living organisms. Algae cause eutrophication in ponds and lakes. It causes death of aquatic animals. The death of cattle occurs by drinking the infected water due to thick layer of algae on surface of water. Photosynthesis does not occur. Eutrophication process in 5 stages. Diseases in human being. The contaminated water cause stomach disorder in human being. Similarly, some algae are responsible for respiratory disorders, skin diseases, and other algae cause allergies. Thank you.